Hi guys, it's me again, Ashanti. So this time I'm gonna show you something more different. For the people who don't have smart TV, who just have a normal flat screen TV, wanted to do some screen sharing, connecting your device to your TV. So, I bought the cheapest one online on Amazon, which is unbranded. You can find some other branded things, which is Chromecast, which is the original one, or Fire TV sticks, or whatsoever any sticks that you can do for screen sharing for your normal flat TV screen. So anyway, before you started and continue this video, you have to look for your TV screen if your TV has an input on the back of HDMI and USB stick, because that's what you're gonna be needing on this tutorial. So let's get started. So this is how it's gonna be look like. Plug your sticks to HDMI and the USB will be your power source to charge your sticks every time that you're using it. So let's go. Let me show you how. First, you have to turn on your TV and go to the settings and look for the source. Into the source, look for the HDMI, which I put it in HDMI 1. So this will be automatically like this. And this is your status. On your TV screen, it shows the status, what is connected. So you have to connect your phone to the stick and the stick to the Wi-Fi. And that's what we're going to do next. So let's go to your phone, connect your phone to the sticks, go to the Wi-Fi. Sure, turn it on. And look for the AnyCast. That's the name of your sticks. And wait until it's connected. When it's connected, it shows that your stick has no internet, because that's your next step. Then you see it on your TV screen, the status, what is connected. So your phone is now connected to the sticks. So the next step will be the sticks have to be connected to the internet. And that's our next step. So go to your phone, Android device, or whatsoever. Go to the web browser. This will also work in iOS or everything. And type to the web browser the web address that's shown in your TV screen. So in each device or in each brands, I think this has a different web address. So be careful and watch out for that, which is given. You have to look and find for the web address, which you can go deeper on your sticks. So go to the internet to connect your sticks to the internet. So there is my Wi-Fi. So I have to put the password. I have to blur it, maybe because my neighbor is watching. So I have to hide that. So look at your status here on your TV screen. Now it's both connected. Now your Wi-Fi is connected. So see, now your phone is connected to the stick and stick connected to the Wi-Fi. Now you're ready to go. So you have to press this button here to change this TV screen. Your TV screen must be like this. So now we go to the Android phone or iOS phone or whatsoever. Search for the mirror screen or screen sharing or smart view or AirPlay to connect your tablet or phone, Android phone or iOS device to your TV. Now it is connected. The first time you were connected, you are gonna get some glitch because you're a bit confused of what's going on. Because remember, your sticks is the one who's delivering the internet. So that's why you're gonna get some glitch. the best thing to do, see, you have no internet connection. So the best thing to do, go to your Wi-Fi settings again and go back to your Wi-Fi router. Now you can go back to your device and choose your Wi-Fi router as your internet source, not anymore the sticks. Your sticks is now okay and it's connected to the internet. That's you don't need to do that again and again. That's just one time in the beginning. So now you can connect your internet, your device to the internet, to your Wi-Fi router. Now you have internet. So you can browse and everything. So your sticks is always connected to the internet. That's automatic gonna be happen every time you turn on your TV and you turn on and go to that sticks. So the next time you go back to your TV or the next day that you want to do this again, you just have always to look to the connection to your status on your TV screen. You see, there's nothing is crossed there, meaning to say it's both connected. So you just have to go to AirPlay, Mirrorcast, or screen sharing, or Smart View, whatever that is available on your phone. So there it is. Now you're connected again. So once again, that's automatic. You don't have to do anything on your sticks anymore after you do the first steps, the recent steps that I showed you. That will be always like that. That is automatically connected. The only thing you have to do is connect your phone to the sticks using AirPlay or screen sharing, what is available to your phone. So the tutorial a while ago, minutes ago, is just one time. It's just for the first time when you use the sticks. That's what we call setup. So the next time is no stress anymore. You just have to look for the sticks and connect it, and then that's it. You're screen sharing already. So this is for now. Thank you for watching and see you again next time. And don't forget to click like and subscribe. Bye!